I'm getting used to making salads because they're very healthy, loaded with lots of vitamins and minerals, and they're budget friendly. Wow. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a low-calorie watermelon salad, which is going to turn out crunchy, very zesty, delicious, and it's going to take only 5 minutes of your time. So this recipe is totally worth trying. The key ingredient in this recipe is watermelon, and I have a huge piece. Also, you need some cucumber, mint, lemon, and olive oil. The recipe is super simple with very basic ingredients. So we are going to start off by chopping up our watermelon. I'm going to run my knife underneath the watermelon, just like this. Then I'm going to cut into pieces. Transfer the watermelon to your bowl. Pick the rest of the watermelon and repeat by running your knife. I don't mind chewing on the watermelon seeds because they have lots of nutrients and they're tasteless. So I'm not going to be removing the seeds. Next, you're going to pick your cucumber, and I'm going to make a slight pattern on the cucumbers, just like this. Cut the cucumber in half, just like this, and into quarters. Then you're going to dice. Transfer to the bowl. Pick your clean mint. I'm going to remove the mint from the stalks. And roughly chop up my mint. Transfer to the bowl as well. Watermelon and cucumber have a high water percentage. That means that the salad is very hydrating. So next you're going to squeeze in some lemon, and I'm using a leftover lemon that I used for baking. So I'm going to squeeze in around 2 teaspoons. This is a huge lemon. Then next I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The olive oil is going to add in lots of flavor to the salad, while the lemon and mint are going to make the salad so refreshing. So I'm going to use a salad spoon and mix up my salad, and it's looking so refreshing, delicious. So I'm going to try out my salad. Wow, the salad is zesty. We have some flavor from the olive oil. The watermelon adds in sweetness, while the mint makes the salad so delicious. So this is a recipe worth trying because it will only take a minute of your time to chop up the watermelon and cucumbers. And the best part about the recipe is that you can make ahead the watermelon salad, keep it in the fridge, and serve over some delicious food.